Yes, Rahul.
Vinith, first of all, thanks for the wonderful session. So, I mean, I had joined this with an intention of validating whatever I understand. That validation I was able to achieve. And other thing is, I was able to unlearn many things that traditionally were imparted due to the working style in our organizations. So, I hope that this learning I'll be able to carry forward and I'll be able to deal with the frustration that companies are not really following, but I know few things which are exactly as per Scrum, so we'll have to navigate through that. But thanks for the
Yeah,
session.
that's a lovely point. Just accept it and navigate whatever is possible. Thanks, Rahul, for that. Yes, Sandhya.
So it was a great session, Vinay. I'm in agreement with Pratik what he told. Like I know certain things, but it takes a lot of time to unlearn and relearn the things and to uncover those things and to get that clarity. So with this session, I got that clarity, like what is what. So I feel like initially I was in some other assumptions itself in the Scrum and Agile world. Now I have that clarity. And thanks for that. And one thing on the personal note, like, you have maintained that energy level throughout the session from where you have started till the end. And I truly appreciate it, Vinith.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It's all because of positive energy you are spreading back, all of you. So thank you for that. Right. Yes, Chaitra.
I cannot on my video because it's not working, but I would really thank you, Vineet, for this session, because as I'm currently a developer, so I want to progress to a different level, that is either a Scrum Master or a product owner. But this session really gave a lot of insight, and also what roles they manage, and what roles they possess in a high level. So that really helped me a lot. Thank you so much, Vineet.
Thank you. Thank you, Chaitra. Thank you for participating actively. Yes, Priya.
Also, a quick background about me before I say anything to you, Vinith. It is like I'm a complete hardcore finance professional. Okay, I don't know anything about whatever you have spoken. We were talking since past 2 days, but I was able to relate it. And more than anything, I come from a corporate training profile too. So I see an urge and a passion in you wherein you really want to change things. That is something which I enjoyed and which I released throughout the session. More power to you, and thank you so much for all your patience.
Thank you,
Long way
Priya.
to go. Long way to go.
Maybe, yeah, and maybe you were able to see some rough edges in my training. If you want to share offline with me, I'll be grateful. Correct.
No worries at
And
all. I was just saying it needs a lot of courage wherein you need to stand out for something wherein the whole world is actually not practicing it. And it's a positive one. Don't worry about it. Thanks for
thank
that,
you.
Vinit.
No problem. Thank you, Priya. Yes, Shivani.
Hey Vineet, one thing I would like to say is in all the training sessions that I attended anywhere, you have a very unique approach. You were able to connect with us. That is the main thing. Connect with us and show us everything in 3 to 4 different ways, right? And also visually illustrate it to us in 3 to 4 different ways. And I really loved that. And you made sure that you were asking the right questions to us as well, so that we understood what you're trying to tell us. So thank you so much for this session. Really appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Shivani. Yes, Anuja.
So first of all, thanks a lot, Vineet, for the really informative sessions. They're a long stretch. Initially, it was really difficult for me to really stay after the first 2 hours, after the first break, but then gradually got used to it. So the 2 day session was really informative, engaging, and definitely those worksheets and workbooks, the kind of ideas you try to bring to make it more practical, helps us relate to real ground experience, gain insight about what other certifications you've been doing, and gave us some insights into those advanced topics as well. It really gave us a great insight. It was really, I would also like to thank my mural team because they have been very participative. I got to know a lot of different opinions, different approaches, different thoughts. That's also great. And hearing all the people here and the participants, everybody who had questions, the way everybody exchanged ideas was really helpful. And I think it was a very patient audience. So it was great. It was fun. And please continue adding more such workbooks, worksheets. Definitely those practical experiences help. Maybe adding some videos, some interactive role plays may also add more element of spice to this. But really, overall, it's really a 5 on 5 for the kind of session that took place.
Thank you so much. But point taken. Video is something we would like to add very soon. Well, thank you so much. Chanda, yes, please.
I'm a continuous learner. Whenever I study, whether it's Scrum, Product Owner, Agile is my interest area. So it really makes me satisfied and happy when I'm occupied in studying. So obviously, this session is helpful. And yes, when I get a certificate, it is like top. I get more happy. So yes, I get a stamp. Yes. So do check my LinkedIn profile. I am a continuous learner. I learn, and I give training also to the freshers, favorites, and I share my knowledge with others. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much. And you will get certified very soon, in a few seconds, in fact. Dipti will be.
Yes, thank you. Yes.
Yes, Karthik.
Yeah, hi Vinay. So the session was very interactive and a very good session I had. I thought some of the waterfall terms as Scrum, so you clearly differentiated Scrum and waterfall, and that's really helped me. So thanks for the session.
Thank you for actively participating as well. Yes, Utkarsha.
Well, this is the third time I'm interacting with you. One was FOC 18, FOC 19, you and Dipti of course, and this is the third time I'm actually interacting with you online. I had a lot to unlearn this time, and yeah, I'll try. I'll not ensure. I'll try to make those changes in the work life, where everything is waterfall in the name of Agile. So yeah, I think on a very tough path I'm going to work now. So thank you for getting those changes, getting those things to be unlearned. There are many patterns that we have been following since very long and which are wrong. So yeah, thank you very much. And just lastly, फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते.
Thank you so much. Yes, Dhanraj. Or as you started the session with a D, and I remember there was a movie D Company or something, I don't know. So anyways, yes, Dhanraj.
Yes. Actually, basically, thanks Vinith for great sessions, even valuable your presentation, which is diagrammatically, which is clearly understands concepts of whatever the product owners are going to do. And as my background is totally from the clouds support role, so I saw there are multiple team members are going to be POs, and I means before I enrolling your sessions, I saw your reviews, and based on that, I shared I decided to go with you. And one of my friend is also taking your training from you, which is he's in Australia now. I connected with him, and feel free to. He told me feel free to go with him. So I'm really, it's a really worth now, and definitely I will be a great product owner, and I'll keep in touch with you.
Yeah, thanks so much for your kind words, Dhanraj. Yes, Narsimha.
Yeah, I work in a service-oriented firm, and I have a team of 20 people. So you changed the thought process of me. Yesterday night, I was talking to one of my friends. Unknowingly, I said I manage a team of 20, and the very next second I thought, what did I say just now? It's we are not managing anyone. So so definitely there is a change in the thought process irrespective of the certification and all that. And this will really help us in the professional and the personal world. Thank you so much.
Thanks so much, Narsimha. That's beautiful. Why should we manage people, right? They are all smart people. Thank you so much. Yes, last but not the least, yes, Nilima.
Yep, I'm just mirroring all the feedback you have got. It was actually very helpful session. The thing was that I have already given PSM certification just by studying it all. But whatever the theoretical knowledge we have here explained very, very well. I was expecting just the theoretical knowledge will be explained in, tuition kind of way, but it was very well explained, and that's what I liked about this session. That I was not bored at all at very scenario. The sleepy things is very different scenario, but yeah, I was not bored at all. So that was interactive part, and other things were well received. So I really liked that session. So that was for me value added, and I really got all the concept, not all the concept, but most of the concept, I guess I have received very well. Thank you.
Great, and congratulations on PSM 1 as well.
That got certified, it's nullified.
One last thing, Vinit, most of the terms like waterfall or manage, you will always be triggered for most of us out here. I don't know about the previous batches, but for us it is like, okay, slow down, slow down. Thanks for that.
And it looks like I did my part to very clearly bring that paradigm shift. Well, thank you, everybody.